How to add music to Facebook Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add music to Facebook Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, what you can do is you can head over to your profile or you can simply create a reel. So let's first head over to our profile. And after you're on your profile, there you should be able to see all of your posts. Now after you're on your profile, here under your post you will see a reel option. Tap on it. From here you will be able to choose a video for the reel. So tap on the video that you want to post as a reel. Then right under here you'll find an audio option. Tap on the audio option, and from here you will be able to find a music or a song. So yeah, you can simply find the music that you want to add to this very reel. So tap on the music that you want to add and then tap on done. After you add the music, tap on next and you will be on this section where you will be able to post this reel. So tap on share. After you tap on share, the reel will get uploaded and the reel will have the music that you just added. And that's basically how you do it. Now the upload speed depends on your internet speed, so faster the internet speed you have, the faster the uploading. So yeah, just wait for it to get uploaded and then you can check out your reel that has the music in it. And that's basically how you add music to Facebook Reels, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.